The case of Mr. Warsami was back in front of the Court of Quebec today for bail hearing.
Mohamed Abdullah Warsami, the Montreal man whose charge of uttering threats is being treated as a terrorist offence for allegedly telling a homeless shelter worker at Montreal's Old Brewery Mission that he understood how to make explosives, wanted to make bombs, and then use them on public transit to kill a large number of people, was back in court Monday. Legal aid lawyer Vincent Petit, who is representing the 51-year-old, said that there is a realistic probability that Warsami will plead guilty when he makes his next court appearance on October 1st. Warsami, who appeared by video conference wearing a gray sweatshirt, said that he prefers to stay in prison until his next court appearance, when he is expected to enter his plea.
He waived his right for a bail hearing, which means that he will remain detained until the continuation of the proceedings or if he asks for a review.
Because the charge of uttering threats against Warsami is now being treated as a terrorist offense, the maximum punishment increases from 5 years to life in prison.
What we're arguing would be at a sentencing hearing, we would present evidence to the effect that what he did also constitutes a terrorist activity as defined in the criminal code under section 83.01. So we will need to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt, and if the judge follows us, the maximum penalty becomes life imprisonment instead of 5 years.
Warsami recently underwent a psychiatric evaluation at the Philippe Pinel Psychiatric Institute to determine if he was suffering from a mental disorder at the time of his alleged crime, but this report is not available to the public after it was put under seal at the request of the defense. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement has revealed that Warsami, a Somali-born Canadian, attended lectures by Osama bin Laden and spent 92 months in an American federal prison after pleading guilty in 2009 for providing material support to Al-Qaeda.
The next appearance is October 1st in front of the Court of Quebec. There are negotiations between the parties. We could be fixing a trial date. He could plead guilty. There's a lot of possibilities at the next date, and we'll know more on October 1st.
In Montreal, Gareth Madoc-Jones, City News.